Hi. So we're about to go bike camping, I guess you could call it. We're in Santa Cruz, California, and we're going to go up to Davenport, California. So it's along the coast. And check us out. This is the most packed out I've ever been on my bike. I've got all the water bottle cages, I've got the GPS, I have the handlebar bag. Had to put my light right here instead of right here because it won't be seen. But this is pretty hefty right here. Ugh. Ugh. See how I do on the coastal roads. Ugh. There will be no picking this up and carrying it. That's really heavy. All my weight's in the back. We're gonna see how that goes going uphill. But first time going on a long trip, and we're gonna camp overnight. And we're gonna come back in the morning. Willow's coming with us. She's gonna be in that backpack on my back. And yeah. Here we go.